What's up, YouTube, Crypto Nation, and Facebook partners? Sorry we ain't had no videos in the past couple of days. As you can tell from the few that I think I might have posted two, the audio, the background noise was really loud. So I went ahead and got a Bluetooth headset so that we can keep the mic closer to my mouth here when I'm talking, because I was having to yell in the videos to get the audio across. So I don't have an apprentice tonight. Couldn't get in touch with him. I don't know if he overslept or whatever. We've been working nights for the past few nights, probably 3 days now, trying to get everything taken care of. So we got about 60% of the mine online, and what I'm going to do is we're going to check some amp draw. We're going to check the temperature of the transformer and check the temperature of the container. So let me get my temp probe, and we will go to the first panel. So this is the Meyer mining panel, pulling about 168 amps. This is a 225 amp panel. It has 32 miners connected to it. 2 are down right now. We're having fan issues. Electrical connections are running about 95 degrees, which is pretty good. Having an issue trying to zoom in on that. All right, well, we'll just have to give you the readouts. I'll give it to you verbally on this. It's a little hard to see. It was a little hard to see in the last video when we was using Alex's professional camera. So our ambient, the board here is 78 degrees, and our wires are like 81, 82 degrees, so we're only running a couple of degrees above ambient on our wires. Now these are TNIU number 6. I don't remember the exact. 3-conductor number 6, TNIU rated, low smoke marine cable. We went with that because of the temperature rating. And I'll share something with you. These are the Velasco mining panels down here. We initially were going to use these plugs, and that was so that we could, ensure that for code purposes, the mining shelf was considered an appliance. Well, after running Velasco's units for about 3 days, we were standing here night before last, Bertha was standing here, just got done doing some work, and we had a loud electrical pop. Well, from the wire getting hot and warming up, all of the screws came loose, and the cable came out of this plug. I mean, it just slipped right out. When Logan put these in, he put them in so tight, he thought he was actually going to break the screws. So on these, we're pulling about high 30s, low 40s. This is a 50 amp rated plug, and evidently it's not rated for continuous duty. So, you buy good stuff, you buy Leviton brand products, and, maybe it's not really rated for what you're doing with it. So we decided to move to tying them directly into the breakers. We did retighten, check the torque on all of the plugs that Logan was using, and he chose to leave them online and see if they loosen up again, and we'll run that as an experiment. So the Velasco, the Meyer mining panels are pulling about 160, 170. Oh, Crypto South panels. This is the Crypto South panel here, and we're at about 130. I am only running 24 miners. We're waiting on power cards. We had a little bit of a snafu. Some of the power cards we ordered were only 16 gauge. So what we did was install the 16 gauge cables on the 750 watt PSUs. These because you're splitting the load in half, it's okay to do that. The rest of the PSUs from here down are going to be 1200 watts. So we had to wait for those 14-gauge cables to come in. We don't want to create a fire condition overheating the cables. So we're 160, 170, 130. $84 and $92. So we're probably about 60% loaded right now. And we'll walk outside and we'll check the temperatures on let's check the temperatures on the hot side. So we have about 40,000 cubic feet a minute of air moving through the container right now. That's enough air. It cycles the air inside of the superstructure once every 2 seconds. So we're running about 77, 78 on the ambient. On the hot side, we're running about 100 degrees. Let's go check the temperature on the transformer. So the transformer's running about 120 degrees right now. And this is the highest we've seen it since we've started the project. So it's also the most that we've loaded it. We should have all the rest of the units online within the next couple of days, and we'll do a final walkthrough. I just wanted to catch up. I haven't did any mini technical videos. We've just been trying to show a lot of the workload. We'll probably show some video of us changing the fans on some of the units. I did end up getting some replacement fans, and we got some more coming from one of the other partners that we know that does mining. So hopefully we got everything running. The next couple of days. Our power cord should be in during the day Thursday, and we'll get the rest of these wired up. You guys be good. Like, subscribe to the video, hit the bell button, man. It'll let you know all the cool things we do. And you guys keep them miners running.